Hi, Basecamp Brooklyn tribe. We got Chad over there helping us out with some yard work. What we're doing is kind of prepping our garden, making it look prettier. Right now what I'm working on is a raised garden bed. As you guys know, the willow tree fell down last year. We've been cutting it up and it has graciously donated its expired limbs. I will write that side so that we can create a garden bed. So I lined up the first layer. I'm gonna put a second layer. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill some holes, and then we got some rebar stakes. And the hole I did was gonna put it through, and then we anchor it to the ground. As you can see, we ready to lay some cardboard, kill all the weeds, and then we're gonna lay it with some sticks and some topsoil to build it up so that we are able to use it as a gardening bed. All right, here we go. The wood is still wet, so it's super soft, so it's creating a lot of friction. So a little bit of time, let it heat the wood, and then you gotta pull it out so that it can come out so it doesn't clog up the holes. All right, we're all the way through. Now we're gonna have to get the problem is I might miss that hole because of all the vibration. Let me see if it has gone all the way through.
I think it has.
Maybe you could go all the way over there. Don't worry, I got steel toe boots.
Do you have steel toe shins?
That's pretty good. I think that's good for now.
Oh, are you trying to go into the ground?
Well, I'm going to do others as well. And then I'll do it all at the end.
If I maintain my employment, you should supply the enjoyment. As long as I stay on the job, your heart ought to throb. You know what you gotta do. You got to work, work, work. Every word, word, word. Oh, baby. Work, work, work. On to work, baby.
Lofty goal, thinking that I could build two of them.
I know you're like, it'd probably just take me 30 minutes. That's hilarious.
Putting those rebars down.
Yeah.
I don't know, a joke. My arms are actually tired because that sledgehammer is pretty heavy.
All right, here's our progress. Bed complete. Flower bed in the back there. New table. More space for all of the herbs. Oh my goodness, guys, so much better. Look what a difference that stone makes. All right. You're all planted up. Peppers and tomatoes and butternut squash. More peppers. Whew, so many fun things.